Casement Windows Tuscaloosa is a top choice for homeowners seeking to enhance their property's aesthetic and functionality. Our expert team specializes in custom casement windows, offering a wide range of styles to suit any home design. Whether you prefer vinyl casement windows Tuscaloosa, aluminum casement windows Tuscaloosa, or wooden casement windows Tuscaloosa, we have the perfect solution for your needs. Energy-efficient windows Tuscaloosa are essential for reducing energy costs and improving home comfort. Our double-glazed windows provide superior insulation, keeping your home warm in the winter and cool in the summer. With our window installation services, you can enjoy a more energy-efficient home year-round. Window replacement services in Tuscaloosa, Alabama, are crucial for maintaining the integrity and appearance of your home. Our team offers comprehensive window replacement services, including window frame replacement and window glass replacement. We ensure that your windows are in top condition, providing both functionality and curb appeal. For those in need of window maintenance services in Tuscaloosa, Alabama, our team provides thorough window cleaning services and window sealing services. Regular maintenance ensures that your windows remain in excellent condition, preventing costly replacements down the line. Our window weatherproofing services also protect your home from the elements. Window design consultation in Tuscaloosa is available for homeowners looking to upgrade their windows. Our experts will guide you through the process, helping you choose the best casement window styles for your home. We also offer window fitting services in Tuscaloosa, Alabama, ensuring a perfect installation every time. Casement window suppliers in Tuscaloosa, Alabama, provide a wide selection of high-quality windows for your home. Whether you're looking for custom casement windows Tuscaloosa or standard options, our suppliers have what you need. We offer competitive pricing and exceptional customer service. Window replacement services in Tuscaloosa, Alabama, are available for homeowners experiencing issues with their windows. Our team specializes in window frame replacement, window glass replacement, and window sash replacement. We address all types of window problems, restoring them to their original condition.